Chapter 6, Lesson 6, Subtracting Integers. If I'm just going to subtract these integers, I'm not going to use a number line and I'm not going to use counters. I'm going to use a little strategy that is called add the opposite. So that means if I have negative 15 subtract positive 7, I can change my subtraction symbol into an addition symbol. So I'm adding the opposite of the second integer. So if my second integer is positive 7, the opposite of positive 7 is negative 7. The first integer stays the same. And now we can just add these integers. And if you remember from the integer lesson, adding integers, if my two symbols are the same, I keep the same symbol. I just add the two numbers, 15 and 7 equals 22. In my next example, I have positive 22, subtract positive 14. So same thing, I can change my subtraction into an addition. I take the opposite, which is negative 14, keep my first integer the same. Then I look at what I have. 22 is bigger than 14 if you just look at the numbers. So I know my answer is going to be a positive. 22 is bigger than 14 by 8 numbers, so my answer would be positive 8. In my next example, I have negative 12, subtract negative 18. Same thing, change the subtraction to an addition. Take the opposite, which is positive 18. Keep the first integer the same. 18 is bigger than 12, so my answer will be positive. 18 is bigger than 12 by 6 numbers, so my answer will be positive 6. In my last example, I have negative 6. Subtract positive 13. I will change the subtraction to an addition. Change positive 13 to the opposite, which is negative 13. Keep my first integer the same. Because they are both negatives, I know that my symbol is going to be negative. 6 and 13 equals 19. So my answer will be negative 19.